Hi kids, today we are going to make a cute Easter sheep. But before we start crafting, we have a little surprise. Look what I have here, a mystery egg. What could be inside? Let's open it. Wow, look! It's a frozen surprise. Look how cute our sheep is. Great job! If you like this video, don't forget to like and come back for more fun crafts.